Today, let's practice our numbers and colors, all with the help of Paw Patrol. Look at all of these colorful dinosaurs. Will you help me sort them into the right cups? Then, I'll bet there's going to be a special surprise inside of each one. Let's get started. Why don't we count 5 yellow dinosaurs? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hey, what's this inside of the yellow cup? I think it's a surprise. It's Rubble from Paw Patrol. He has a yellow jacket on. Yellow is amarillo in Spanish. Yellow. Amarillo. A duck is also yellow. What else is yellow? Yes, the sun is yellow. And a smiley face is yellow. Let's play some more. Now, let's sort the green dinosaurs. Let's count 5. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see what surprise is underneath the green dinosaurs. Hey, it's Rocky. Rocky is wearing a green jacket, just like the dinosaurs. In Spanish, green is verde. Green, verde. Let's see what else is green. Frogs are green, and money is green. Plants are green too, just like Rocky. Now, why don't we count 5 blue dinosaurs? Here's number 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hey, who is this inside the blue dinosaur cup? It's Chase from Paw Patrol. His jacket is blue. In Spanish, blue is azul. Blue, azul. Can you say azul? Good job! Butterflies are also blue. And clouds. Cars can also be blue. This time, why don't we count 5 orange dinosaurs? Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think there's a surprise waiting for us here in the orange bowl. Yes, it's Zuma. He's wearing an orange vest. Orange in Spanish is anaranjado. That's a big word. Let's say it together. Anaranjado. Good job. A fish can be orange too. And of course, an orange is orange. A fire is orange also. Now, let's count 5 purple dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I dropped it. 4, and 5. Now let's see who's hiding over here in our purple dinosaur bowl. It's Sky. Hi, Sky. Her jacket is purple. In Spanish, purple is morado. Can you say morado? Good job. An eggplant is also purple. Birds are purple. And sunglasses can be purple. Our last color is red. Let's count 5 red dinosaurs. Here's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course number 5. Let's see who's hiding inside of our red cup now. Hey, it's Marshall! Marshall's wearing a red jacket. Red in Spanish is rojo. Can you say rojo? Red. Good job. A heart is red. And a dragon can be red. Of course, an apple is red. Let's review those colors one more time. Green, verde. Blue, azul. Purple, morado. Orange, anaranjado. Yellow, amarillo. Red, rojo. You did great. Are you ready for the next counting and colors game? Why don't we start with number 1? Number 1 is red. And Marshall has a red jacket on. And now I have 1 red dinosaur. 1. Do you know what number comes after 1? It's the number 2. This number 2 is blue. Chase is wearing a blue jacket. Now, how many dinosaurs are we going to count? Let's see. I have 1, 2 dinosaurs. 1, 2. Okay. Let's go on to the next number. It's number 3. Number 3 is orange. Zuma is wearing an orange jacket. How many dinosaurs are we going to count now? You're right, 3 dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3. You're getting the hang of this game. Our next number is the number 4. This 4 is a little different. It's called teal. And Everest is wearing a teal jacket. Now let's count dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 dinosaurs. For the number 4. And our next number is the number 5. This number 5 is purple. That's Sky wearing a purple jacket. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like the number 5. Now we have the number 6. It's green. Do you remember that Rocky is wearing a green jacket? Green. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green dinosaurs. The number 6. Our last number for the day is number 7. It's pink. And we have Liberty in a pink jacket. Hi, Liberty. Let's count dinosaurs now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. You did wonderful today.